Hey guys, this video covers how to remove the thermal cooling module and the fan on a Dell XPS 15Z. Now I've removed a lot of the components already to get to this. The main component you'll need to remove is the bottom cover. Now see my other video for instruction on that. You'll also want to remove the battery assembly. I also have a video on that. And also the optical drive. Once you have these components out, you're able to access the fan and thermal module. As you can see, it's right there. You need to go about removing the screws in the fan first. The fan comes out first. So let's go ahead and get those out. And notice that they are different lengths. The screw here is shorter than the screw here. Now you have to remove the connector right here. I'm going to take a small screwdriver without damaging the system board. Going to try to lift up slightly, just work it out. Just kind of work the connector out, going back and forth with a small screwdriver. That'll loosen it, and you should be able to snap it this way. And there's your fan. Fan is out. Now to remove the cooling module, or thermal module as Dell likes to call it, it's held in by a series of spring-loaded screws here. You can kind of see them there. You just need to go about and give them a few spins initially. We don't want to go all the way out yet. Now you can start going across, unscrew them all the way. And pulling up here, you can lift it and then lift it straight out. That's what it looks like underneath. Be careful not to damage or bend it in any way, but basically, you have your processor and chipset on the thermal module. So that's it for that. Pretty straightforward as long as you get the other components out first. So go ahead and set that aside and check out my other video for removal of the system board and the LCD assembly.